For about a year and a half, I was having horrible decay. And I was taking care of it, but people said, that poison is going to your brain. You've got to be thinking about something. And I had talked to a couple of dentists, and I wasn't impressed with what they had to say, but I saw the ad, and it said Sonora, which I live in Jamestown. And I thought, gee whiz, I might as well check it out. They say $300 examination for free, and that examination was fabulous. I was able to chew with about 4 teeth on each, and a meal would take me an hour.
And what about now?
20 minutes.
And are you able to eat your favorite foods?
Anything I want. I've never met a friendlier bunch of people who are more concerned and very polite. It's been a very happy experience. I live alone, I don't see that many people, and my family's impressed. My children think it's very nice to have my teeth. It's just comfortable, but I'm not trying to do anything with it. Thank him for treating an old man gently and doing a very good job.